Hi guys, back with another video. Just a quick video to show that I have uh, done two tool head, the R2.1 and also the N head tool head down here. So I'm doing the bash test. As usual, after we set up, we recommend you to do a bash test just to break the tool in and let it run and see how the drop off and pickup goes. So this is the two tool head, R2.1 and also the N head. For the R2.1 tool head is not the proper colors, because there should be some trim on the R2.1, but I just used one color first, black, just a black color. So far it's going great. Is doing just now. I just did 50 tool head bash tool change, so now I'm doing it again just to test and make sure everything is correct. One thing I keeps getting warning error is the stepper driver for this dock slide steppers. The stepper driver at the MCU tends to get overheated, so I will need to install fan at the MCU at the back there, just to cool them down more. There's fans at the side of the backpack where my electronics at the back, so there's fans along the sides, but apparently it's not enough to cool down the stepper drivers, so I will need to add a stepper drivers fan down there. And other than that, everything is good and working. So once this tool change, the bashing of this tool change is done, what I think I want to change the carriage. I want to print a new part because this carriage was not printed properly, so I want it to be more perfect. So I will print the carriage. I replace the carriage with the new one that I'm going to print. And other than that, I think there's nothing else. So after the tool bash, I can proceed to do the nozzle offset calibration, and we can then try to do our first print down here. So this is just a example of how the tool change will be at every Z height of the flying gantry. So because this is a flying gantry, the dock slide deploy and park position is slightly different to those with a fixed gantry, because for the fixed gantry, the dock slide position of deploy and park doesn't change. So this one, because of the flying gantry, the dock slide, park and deploy always follow the gantry height. So now it has been set, it has been fixed. I'll make use of whatever BTC is available currently, and right now everything is going great. So I will update you. This is just a quick video to show that it's working, and you should be expecting me to test print with this two tool head first. As you can see, I have removed the dragon burner tool head and also the Eva tool head, because while I was doing my VisiBoard tool changer down there, Linux VisiBoard, I burned out two of my EBB boards because of the wiring. I wired the wiring wrong, so it burned out two of my EBB boards, which I have to take from this two tool head down here. Once I got my hands on another two tool head, then I will set them up, maybe one here or two here, or two there, or one here, one there. So the VisiBoard is running. I have already posted pictures of the prints inside our Discord. Only for the 2.4, the Physec Voron 2.4 here, I've yet to do any printing on them. So on this guy here. So once I get the nozzle offset calibration, I will do a first test print on this machine. Alright, so if you have any questions, as usual, post them in the comments, like and subscribe to this video. It helps a lot for me. And also join our Discord. We have more and more people starting to build Linux now. and I will try my best to assist or help you in any way I can, right? Alright, so see you guys in another video. Catch you soon.